Hi everyone, I am going to discuss what is SDET and why SDET with Java and Selenium. So let's discuss first. What is SDET? SDET stands for Software Development Engineer in Test. And a SDET is a professional who works with both software development and software testing. Unlike traditional testers who focus mainly on manual or automation testing, SDTs are skilled in programming, test automation, test frameworks, and quality engineering practices. What are the key responsibilities of an SDT? Write and maintain automation frameworks and test scripts, work closely with developers to design and test applications, perform API testing, UI testing, performance testing, and sometimes security testing, contribute to CI/CD pipelines, that is DevOps, ensure product quality at every stage of SDLC. Why SDLC role is important? It bridges the gap between developers and testers, ensures faster releases with high quality, high demand in modern, agile, and DevOps environments. In short, an SDT is a hybrid role, both a developer and a tester with strong coding plus testing knowledge. Then, why SDT with Java and Selenium? First one, Java is the industry standard. Java is one of the most widely used programming languages in automation testing. It's platform independent, object oriented, and integrates well with testing frameworks like TestNG, JUnit, and Cucumber. Why Selenium? Selenium is the most powerful open source automation tool. Supports cross browser, cross platform testing. It works seamlessly with Java, making it the most common choice for web automation. Next point, perfect combination for SDT role. As an SDT, that is software development engineer test, you need strong coding plus testing skills. Java plus Selenium gives you both coding for framework development and automation for testing. Next point, rich ecosystem. Java plus Selenium integrates with Maven, Jenkins, GitHub, Docker, AWS for CI/CD pipelines. Supports design patterns like page object model, that is POM, making tests maintainable and reusable. Next point, high demand in the job market. Most companies expect SDTs to have Java plus Selenium expertise. Interviewer questions for SDT roles often focus on these technologies. In short, Java plus Selenium is the backbone of SDT roles, ensuring you can code like a developer and test like a QA engineer. Thank you so much, guys.